Good morning, my dear students. This is Manisha Singh, and I am here to explain you Model Test Paper 1 based on chapters 1 to 5. This Model Test Paper, students, is based on the chapters 1 to 5. Now, fill in the blanks. 1. The imaginary line where the sky appears to meet the earth is called the horizon. The globe gives us an idea of the dash of the earth. The globe gives us an idea of the shape of the earth. The dash is the highest mountain peak in the world. The Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in the world. The capital of Haryana is dash. The capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. Tea and coffee are dash. Tea and coffee are beverages. Second, say yes or no. The layer of air which surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. Yes. Second, there are 4 continents and 7 oceans. No. The Indian Ocean is to the south of India. Yes. India is divided into 24 states and 7 union territories. No. People who eat vegetables are called non-vegetarians. No. Now, match the following. State union territories with their capitals. Daman and Diu, Daman. Mizoram, Izal. Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Punjab, Chandigarh. Now answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Number 1. How is Earth different from others' planet? Earth is different from others' planets because it supports life while the other planets do not. Second, how does the globe help us to learn about the Earth? The globe helps us to know many things about the Earth, such as shape of the earth, the land and water areas, to locate different places, idea of rotation of the earth on its axis. Now third, differentiate between a mountain and a plateau. A plateau consists of hills with flat top, while a mountain is a group of hills rising quite high with pointed top. Of which union territory is Kavaratti the capital? Lakshadweep. What are the chief foods in India? Rice, wheat, millets and pulses are the chief food in India. Thank you, students. A very good morning to you all, my dear students. This is Manisha Singh and I am here to explain you Model Test Paper 2 on page number 102. So I request you all students to please watch this video till the end. Based on chapters 6 to 10. This model test paper is based on chapters from 6 to 10. Fill in the blanks. The most common dresses of men in the cities are dash. The most common dresses of men in the cities are shirts and trousers. Second, Durga is the goddess of dash. Durga is the goddess of Shakti. Any work that helps us to earn money is called dash. Any work that helps us to earn money is called an occupation. We have different means of dash for moving on land, water and air. We have different means of transport for moving on land, water and air. Letters are the most popular means of dash communication. Letters are the most popular means of personal communication. Now second, say yes or no. We wear different types of clothes in different seasons. Yes. Christmas is the birthday of Guru Nanak. No. The main occupation in coastal areas is mining. No. Bicycles, cars, auto rickshaws, etc. ply on the roads. Yes. Satellites have made communication faster. Yes. Now third, match the following from column A to column B. Hindus, Diwali. What do Hindus celebrate? Hindus celebrate Diwali. Independence Day, 15th August. Sikhs, Guru Parv. Christians, Christmas. Republic Day, 26th January. Now look at the question and answers. Answer the following questions. What do young girls wear in the villages? Young girls villages में क्या पहनती हैं? A long skirt with a blouse. Name two harvest festivals. The two harvest festivals are Lohri and Holi. What is the main occupation of the people living in villages? The main occupation of the people living in villages is agriculture. Name any four means of transport used within the city. Buses, cars, auto rickshaws and trains. Fifth, what does mass communication mean? When messages are sent to a large audience, this is called mass communication. Thank you, students.